Those rains are likely to have contributed to a fatal accident this morning close to MCS Miramar. Man thrown from his Corvette when he lost control and slid off Kearneyville Road and struck a tree. A Marine in a car behind him saw the accident and then stopped to try to help.
I was just 25, 30 yards behind him, and then I just like look up. I see this car. I see like something just shooting across the street, and I see cars like swerving around him. And so I saw everyone else just kept on going by like it was just an everyday thing. And so I had to, like me being me, I just had to stop.
Driver of the Corvette apparently was not seat belted in. He was thrown out the rear window. Smith, a couple of others tried to give first aid, but the man died at the scene. There were many accidents during the storm. CHP tallied over almost 500. That is more than triple for a dry day. The Toyota Tacoma pickup truck rolled over, but nobody was hurt there. BMW careened off the pavement and into the mud. Again, no one hurt. And those scenes repeated many times today as drivers faced heavy rain and at times had to plow through deep standing water. We've got a chilly night ahead, especially if you're in the path of any of these wind gusts that we've been feeling coming off the ocean since mid-afternoon. Live in Ocean Beach, Steve Fury, 10 News.